Welcome back to another episode of the Freedom Formula Podcast. Today, we're diving into something that could be a total game changer for anyone looking to escape the grind of traditional business models.
That's right. We're talking about the done-for-you, or DFY business model. If you've ever wanted to run an online business but felt overwhelmed by product creation, tech setups, or customer service, this might just be what you've been searching for.
Exactly. DFY is like stepping into a pre-built business where most of the hard stuff is already done for you. But don't worry, we're breaking it all down today. The what, the why, and how you can get started.
So grab a coffee or a notebook if you're serious, and let's dive right in.
Let's start with the basics. What exactly is a DFY business model?
A DFY business is, as the name suggests, a business that's already set up for you. Think of it as walking into a fully furnished home where all you need to do is start living. Or in this case, start marketing and scaling.
That's a great analogy. You don't have to worry about product development, inventory, or even customer service. It's all handled. Your role is simply to drive traffic and make sales.
And here's the kicker, because everything is already built for you. The learning curve is significantly smaller. You don't need to become a tech wizard or spend years developing products. It's a shortcut to getting started.
But let's address the elephant in the room. If it's that simple, why isn't everyone doing it?
Good question. Honestly, it's because most people don't even know this exists, and those who do often overthink it or assume it's too good to be true. Plus, like any business, it does require effort. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it is a smart way to start.
So who's the ideal candidate for a DFY business? Is this something anyone can jump into?
It's perfect for beginners, especially those who feel intimidated by the idea of starting an online business from scratch. It's also great for busy professionals who want a side hustle with minimal time commitment.
And let's not forget entrepreneurs who already have businesses but want to add a passive income stream. DFY can be a great way to diversify without adding a ton of workload.
Exactly. The beauty of DFY is that it's scalable. You can start small and grow at your own pace. Whether you're looking for an extra $500 a month or want to build something bigger, it's flexible.
And let's be honest, starting a traditional business can take months, even years. With DFY, you can start earning in weeks, sometimes even days. That kind of speed is a huge advantage.
Okay, let's talk about how to actually get started. What are the steps?
First, you need to pick the right DFY business. Not all are created equal, so look for one with high-quality digital products like courses or ebooks, a proven track record, and ideally a system where you keep 100% of the profits.
And once you've chosen the right business?
Step 2 is setting up your sales funnel. This is what makes everything run on autopilot. You'll need a website, a lead capture system, a sales page, and an automated checkout system. Think of it as your business's engine.
I love that you mentioned automation. That's what separates DFY from traditional models. It lets you focus on marketing while the system handles everything else.
Exactly. And speaking of marketing, that's step 3. Driving traffic is key. Whether it's organic content on TikTok or paid ads on platforms like Facebook, getting eyeballs on your business is how you make sales.
So it's not done for you in the sense that you don't have to do anything. You do need to put in effort to market and scale, but the heavy lifting, like product creation and delivery, is already sorted.
Let's address some common misconceptions about DFY businesses. I know people are skeptical.
Absolutely. One myth I hear all the time is that DFY businesses are scams.
And the truth?
The truth is, legitimate DFY businesses provide real value. They offer high-quality products, proven systems, and allow you to keep your profits. Of course, like anything, you need to do your research.
Another myth is that you can't make real money with this model. But we've seen countless success stories, people making thousands a month using DFY systems.
Exactly. It's not magic. You have to market effectively, but the potential is huge.
And finally, some people think it's too late to start. But the digital product industry is booming. Now is actually the perfect time to jump in.
All right, we've covered a lot today, but let's wrap up with some actionable steps. If someone's ready to start their own DFY business, what should they do next?
First, find a DFY system that fits your goals. Look for one with mentorship, training, and a supportive community. That's crucial for success.
And once you've got that, commit to learning and executing. Marketing will be your focus, so don't shy away from experimenting with different strategies.
Exactly. And if you're serious about starting, there are resources out there to help, including DFY systems that walk you through everything step by step.
The bottom line? If you're ready to take action, there's no better time to start than now.
Well, that's all for today's episode of the Freedom Formula Podcast. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and share it with someone who could benefit from this.
And if you have questions or want us to cover a specific topic, reach out. We'd love to hear from you.
Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time. Until then, keep chasing freedom. Outro music playing.